What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and second day of the thrash. We actually have a full crew here today. Of course, you have the Florida Highway Patrol SSP notchback, Dover's old truck, the F100, and then there's Ken, Speed X 731. Chris is actually here, and I did want to take you over here and just kind of let you see the goodness again. Chris's two-tone GT. Go back and watch the video where his car is on the thumbnail because it's beautiful. Absolutely flawless. But the reason we are here at the shop is right inside there. We've got to finish this car. We have to get this car finished. Why? Because Mustang Week, it's coming. Will it be ready? I don't know. I really don't know. Alright guys, so this is the deal. This is the grind session. We've got the whole crew here today. Everybody. Hi, Cody. Cody, what are you doing? We're actually making exhaust hangers here. We don't know what's wrong with Ken.
Cody's got it too.
Yeah, he does? I don't know.
He's ready.
Anyway. So, exhaust hangers being made right now. What
Are you okay, Ken?
That's pretty cool there. Just drop the sledgehammer on there and call it good.
Call it good.
Over here with Cody.
Alright, so finishing up the exhaust. We're about to bolt in the bump steers. What do you think?
It's time.
Yeah, it is
It's a
time.
reality today.
We've got to put the wheels on it. Well, actually, no, we got to bleed the brakes first. But it's going to happen. It's going to happen.
Need a little more? Take it.
We busted it.
Did it?
No.
Pretty low.
Just the cap.
Oh. Do you want that other piece that I got in my rear end? It's got all that crap on it. It's in the back of my truck.
Alright, so right now we are getting the drive shaft squared away. We had to get the flange off that so we can put the Motorsport aluminum drive shaft in the car. It didn't have the flange for the rear end, and of course we had to change the yoke at the front end because mine's got the bigger outlet shaft. But progress. It's time to sit it down. Time to sit down on the Yes, you're a little weird. Ken, what are you doing?
I'm actually not weird.
You are weird, Ken. Don't even lie.
No, I'm not.
Alright.
You say that I wear the same shirt every day.
Well, you do, Ken.
I say
you have serious issues with hygiene, and we're going to work on that. Once this car build is done.
Guys, go watch Speed Addict 731's video and watch the entire video.
Ladies and gentlemen, drop me a comment below if we should ban Ken permanently from the channel. All right, now let's get back to work. Ken, what are you doing here?
We're putting the bump steer kit on.
Bump steer kit.
Yes.
Do you understand the bump steer kit?
Yes, I'm following the instructions to the bump steer kit.
Good deal. All right.
Ken is the man when it comes to following instructions.
Yes, Ken follows instructions. We're also bolting fans up. Hey, I like that.
Wait, men don't read instructions.
Okay, back to the fan.
I do. I don't want to do it twice.
Dover, what do you think? Fan gonna work?
It's going to be nice.
Hopefully she's got plenty of CFM to keep the old Yodi cool.
Between that and this big radiator,
Oh yeah, this radiator, you can see,
it's going to be
put a
fine.
finger on it. It's freaking
All them
huge.
instructions, just put that in there?
But, yes.
You gotta set it up with this
And this side is done with the bump steer kit. Maximum Motorsports for the win. Love it. Cody, can I get a thumbs up for the Maximum Motorsports equipped Coyote swap Foxbody? Okay, yeah, it's super quiet now. All right, so Corey, you have not heard the car, have you?
I haven't heard a cow.
You have not heard the Yodi. All right, so we got to start it up. All right. Dover, where's the keys at? We have no keys.
Right
Ah. Stand by, everybody.
Where we hide all over dead bodies.
Yeah, let me come out here.
It is a tidbit loud. All right. We're gonna start her up here. Uh-oh. Stand by, ladies and gentlemen. I think the battery is unhooked. Okay, guys, here we go. Let's try this one more time. Key in. And I got nothing. I got nothing.
It's got a theft mode on it, so you...
Theft mode.
Yeah.
Ah. I got a thumbs up. Oh shit. Oh. Bad language. Hold on. Let's give her a little gas.
Gotta relearn. The battery's dead. We're dead.
We just touch that wire to the ground. Yeah, I'll show you.
Alright.
You got this one wire, it has to be grounded heat. So when you mash the clutch pedal to the ground,
Oh, I got you. Neutral safety
touch
switch.
something metal.
There we go. Oh. Come on, baby. Don't die on me. Alright, guys, she's doing kind of funky things here. Not sure what's going on. It's acting funny. Oh, there it comes. That was kind of odd, wasn't it?
Well, like you said, the battery was completely dead.
Yeah.
So, like, feel like, you know, I started it the other day.
Right.
It's all year again.
Well, the battery was completely dead, so it's obviously it's going to have some adaptive relearn time on it. But yeah, hey, we can get a little heat in it. Maybe we can rev it up a little bit. Let's try. Yeah, that sounds a little bit better. That's just a little bit better. Woo! Shut up, Ken. Ladies and gentlemen, Ken has been really annoying today. I'm not sure his future with the channel, so we'll just have to see what happens. But there she is. Alright guys, so once again, another long day of grinding, and you can't even really tell it just looking at the car. You can't even really tell it. But so much more has been done. And it's just, you know, it's one of those things. Part of the build, and Mustang Week is coming up. And basically I've got next Saturday because I leave next Monday, and you know, I don't know, it's at this point hey, yes, Mr. Hankey's making a little noise over there. They're having a little fun. But that is the thing right now, guys. I just don't know. I just do not know if it's going to make Mustang Week. It's been a hard charge. You know, just when we really get cracking, then we need parts. The issue we've got right now is we need a brake fitting and kind of a bastard U-joint for that. And we don't have it. And we're tired. But in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Dover, we did work.
Always.
Always. All right, guys, we'll holler at you later.